Here is a beginner-level cybersecurity manager quiz that covers data protection and encryption, cloud security, and network and infrastructure security. Let's go. Question 1. The process of converting readable data into a coded format to prevent unauthorized access. A. Firewalling, B. Data masking, C. Encryption, and D. Compression. The answer is encryption. Question 2. Which method uses two keys, public and private, for secure communication? A. Symmetric encryption, B. steganography, C. Tokenization, and D. Asymmetric encryption. The answer is asymmetric encryption. Question 3. Which of the following is used to detect and prevent data leakage from an organization? A. IDS, B. DLP, C. VPN, and D. SIEM. The answer is DLP. Question 4. What does end-to-end encryption E2E ensure? A. Data is only encrypted during storage. B. Everyone in the network can access the message. C. Only senders and receivers can read the message. And D. Encryption keys are public. The answer is only senders and receivers can read the message. Question 5. What is considered personally identifiable information, PII? A. Employee ID numbers, B. IP addresses only, C. Browser settings, and D. Product codes. The answer is employee ID numbers. Question 6. Which cloud model offers the most customer control over configurations and security? A. SaaS, B. PaaS, C. IaaS, and D. NAS. The answer is IaaS. Question 7. Which of the following enhances access control in cloud applications? A. Disabling password requirements, B. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, C. Public file sharing, and D. Unencrypted data. The answer is multi-factor authentication, MFA. Question 8. What is the function of a cloud access security broker, CAS? A. Increases internet bandwidth. B. Replaces cloud service providers. C. Helps enforce security policies for cloud use. And D. Offers free storage. The answer is helps enforce security policies for cloud use. Question 9. Which of the following is a common cloud security risk? A. Hardware damage. B. Too many software licenses. C. Excessive physical server usage. And D. Unauthorized access to sensitive data. The answer is unauthorized access to sensitive data. Question 10. What does shared responsibility in cloud security refer to? A. All responsibility lies with the cloud provider. B. Only users secure their devices. C. Security responsibilities are divided between the provider and customer. And D. Users are not responsible for anything. The answer is security responsibilities are divided between the provider and customer. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the primary function of a firewall? A. Scan files for viruses. B. Block unauthorized access to or from a private network. C. Backup data to the cloud. And D. Increase network speed. The answer is block unauthorized access to or from a private network. Question 12. Which tool is used to monitor and manage network security in real time? A. Patch management system. B. Load balancer. C. DLP. And D. SIEM. The answer is SIEM. Question 13. What is an intrusion detection system, IDS, used for? A. Preventing physical access. B. Monitoring and alerting on suspicious network activity. C. Managing user roles. And D. Encrypting data. The answer is monitoring and alerting on suspicious network activity. Question 14. What is a secure method for remotely accessing network resources? A. FTP. B. HTTP. C. SSH. And D. TELNET. The answer is SSH. Question 15. What is the main goal of network segmentation? A. Limit access to sensitive areas of the network. B. Improve performance of a single device. C. Increase traffic speed. And D. Reduce the number of IP addresses used. The answer is limit access to sensitive areas of the network. Question 16. Why is it important to regularly update software? A. To reduce power usage. B. To fix security vulnerabilities. C. To improve screen brightness. And D. To slow down hackers. The answer is to fix security vulnerabilities. Question 17. Which of the following is a strong password example? A. admin123, B. QWERTY, CP at 55W0RD, and D. 123456778. The answer is P at 55W0RD. Question 18. What is the purpose of using a VPN in a network? A. To create guest accounts. B. To enable faster streaming. C. To allow public access. And D. To provide encrypted internet connections. The answer is to provide encrypted internet connections. Question 19. Which device separates internal networks from external ones and manages traffic? A. Switch. B. Firewall. C. USB drive. And D. Patch panel. The answer is Firewall. Question 20. Why is network monitoring essential for cybersecurity? A. To increase bandwidth. B. To predict social trends. C. To detect unusual activity and prevent attacks. And D. To speed up downloads. The answer is to detect unusual activity and prevent attacks. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.